Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10 verbs. So here we start with what is verbs. Verbs are doing words. They refer to a particular action and tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. It shows the work of a person, an animal or a thing. Verbs can also be used to join two parts of sentence. For example, Rajan makes some tea. Here you can see Rajan is one sentence, some tea is another. A verb makes join these two sentences and make Rajan makes some tea. Same second one, the children and books are two different sentences and read is a verb which joins these two sentences. The children read books. Third one is the frog into the pond. The frog and into the pond are two different sentences and jumps is a verb which join these two sentences. The frog jumps into the pond. Here you can see makes, read, jumps are verbs. In English grammar, you can find too many verbs which can helps you to tell what a person, an animal or thing does. The words is, are and am are used as verbs. The apple is sweet. The girls are happy. I am tired after the walk. Here you can see is, are, am are used as verbs. They are also used means am, is and are also used in sentences, questions and negative sentences. For example, the clothes are on the chair. This sentence is a statement that tells us that clothes are on the chair. Second one is it hot in the afternoon? It shows question. It is question. Third one is I am not tired after the walk. It shows negative sentence. Negative sentence means a sentence which tells us that thing is not happening anymore. So we can use am, is and are as statement, question and negative sentence. Now we start your text and fair exercise so you can understand this concept very easily. First is underline the verbs in the sentences. Here you can see sentences. You have to find verbs from these sentences and have to underline. First one is we keep a telephone in the library. In this sentence, keep is a verb. Second one is Karan buys flowers for his mother. In this sentence, buys is a verb. The lion hurt its paw. Here, hurt is a verb. Second exercise is complete these sentences with the correct verbs in the box. In this exercise, you can find a box in your textbook with many options. You have to select correct one and write it into the given blank. First one is please blank your name on the board. So answer is write. Please write your name on the board. Second one is the boys blank books. quietly in the library. The boys read books quietly in the library. Frida blank stamps. Frida collects stamps. In these sentences, write, read, collects are known as verbs. Next exercise is complete these sentences with is, am and are. First one is there blank some letters on the table. Here we know letters are plural form and there is plural form. So we will put are. There are some letters on the tables. Letters are plural, so we cannot put is. And as we know, am is always comes with I only. So is and am are wrong for this sentence and are is correct answer. Second one is Usha blank hungry. Here we know Usha is third form and it is singular. So Usha is hungry. Third one is I blank sure that the cat escaped. As we know, I is always comes with am. So I am sure that the cat escaped. Next exercise is take the sentences that show actions in the past. You have to find past verb from the given sentences. First one is we went to the club. Here we know that went is verb and it is past form of go. So we went to the club. In this sentence, went is shows past form. Second one is Mahesh works at a factory. In this sentence, works is a verb but it shows present, not past. So there is no any answer. Third one is Leela washed her clothes. In this sentence, washed is verb and it is past form of wash. So washed is correct answer. So like this way, you have to complete all your text and fair exercise. Thank you.